Hello, my name is Ashley Harold, and this is my Windows NT installation video for CIS 140. Now you're going to we're going to VMware Workstation, we're going to File, New, Virtual Machine. You're going to choose Typical, Next, and you want to install a disk image file, and you go to Browse, and you go in to find where you have your Windows NT saved. And you open it, and you click Next, and then here's the name of the virtual machine. This is where it'll be saved at. Next. I put in 4 for the maximum disk size, just how much I'll be using on it. Next. And it's already got the main stuff set up in here, so we just click Finish. Wait for it to load. You just click in the black and blue to move your thing in there. Let it set up a little bit. So really easy install. Like, the part that took the longest was downloading the Windows NT stuff. So make sure you take time to download that. Okay, now we want to set up the Windows NT now, so we're going to press Enter. And we're going to press Enter to continue. And we're going to press C to continue with the setup. And we're going to page down to the license agreement and click F8 to agree. Enter to show that it matches our computer. We're going to make a partition, so click C and Enter to create it, and Enter to install. And we want to create the partition using NTFS, so just go down and then click Enter. Let it set up. This should take very little time, as you can see. Just Enter to continue. Enter to continue. Just going to check, try to see. I'm going to copy the files. This is very short as well. Alright, I'm going to push Enter to restart the virtual machine. I'm going to push Enter again to start at Windows NT Workstation version 4.0. Let it load. This shouldn't take very long at all either. Okay, now push Windows version 4 again. Enter. Let it load. I'm not sure why it does that part twice, but it's done that to me the last 3 times as well, so. Alright, and here it is. Now we're going to set up the Windows NT. Okay, push Next. And we're going to go Typical, Next. And you put whatever name, I'm just going to use my name. And the organization, I'll just put the class. You can put whatever. Next. And the CD key. we're just gonna type in there, and it is 815 59 19 783. Next, and the name of the computer. Next, and the password can be whatever you want. I'm just use 1234. Very easy to remember, and confirm the password. Next, and I do not want to create a emergency repair disk. For the purposes I'm using it for, it would be basically extra work. So next, and I'm just going to install the most common components. Next, and next, let it initialize, and push next again to go wire it to the network, and push start search for it to search and find a network adapter. Okay, and I found the family Ethernet adapter. Push next, use that one. We use the TCP/IP protocol. Next, push next again to install. I'm going to use the default, continue. We are going to use the DHCP. Okay, we're going to start next, start the network. Give it a second. Okay, here's our computer name, and it's a member of a work group. Next, and finish to finish the setup. Alright, now you want to set the time zone to your time zone. I'm going to set it to mine, which is Mountain Time. And then go over the date and time and make sure that it is actually your time. And it is my time, so let's write date too. Now just close that. Push OK. And OK. Hit configure. Copy files. Alright. Saving, moving temporary installation files, and restart the computer. Okay. Version 4.0. Alright, and now you can press the Control-Alt-Delete, and the administrator password is 1234. Okay, and this will log me in as the administrator. Push Enter to close, and here is your Windows NT. Thank you very much for watching this video.